Hello guys, how are you lately? I believe everyone loves the free stuff. Yes, including me. WEMAX is giving away 100 units of WEWATCH portable mini projector. By the way, WEWATCH is the sub-brand of WEMAX. In short, this projector is like Wompo T2 Max without Android OS. A nice mini portable projector for on the go. So, what you need to do? In short, join WEMAX community. Invite your friends and family members to join too. That's all. And which WEMAX product do you want me to review? List it at the comment section. I will try my best to get it to review. Well, what are you waiting for? Join the community with the link below now. See ya!